Hello, first grade. Okay, it's pretty loud here in the building, so I'm using my headphones today. Um, I hope you can hear me okay, maybe even better, but I'm having to use my one with the cord because my other one is not plugged in. I forgot to charge it last night. All right, today we're going to take, I love my number bonds, right? Yes. And so we're going to use number bonds today, and we're talking about equal and not equal, also known as true and false math statements. Boy, I have a lot of stuff on my desk right now to teach you all this. All right, so I've got my number bonds here, and I drew them out. You can draw them out too if you would like, because we're going to use number bonds today. So they want you to practice with the number 8. I have my 10 train here. You only need one, and it says we're going to practice with 8. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't need these two. I'm going to put them way over to the side so I don't accidentally count them. Okay, now we're going to need to make 2 different number bonds with 8. So let's see. I think I'm going to try to chop it right in the middle for my first one. Right there. So how many do I have? 4 and 4 because they're the same, right? So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to make my first number bond. What's my big number? My big number is 8. My little numbers are, no, sorry, writing backwards again. 4 and 4. Okay. Now I need to make a different number bond. I need to choose numbers that are easy to write backwards. How about, see, I always mess up my 3, don't I? Hardly ever write 3 backwards correctly. How about 2 and what number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 6. Okay, set that down, and I'm going to put that in my number bond. Now remember, I still had 8. That's still my big number. And I had a 2 and a 6. A 2 and a 6. Okay, now remember how we turn these into math sentences, math equations. Down here, I've got 2 different equations, but guess what? They equal the same thing. So I'm going to use my equations from my number bonds to write my equations down here, my math sentences. So this one is 2 plus 6. And then I've already put my equal sign in here. Ooh, I hope they're equal. You think they're equal, right? They better be. 4 plus 4. Now remember yesterday we talked about that equal sign does not mean this is the answer. It means they are the same. They are the same, right? There's no slash in here because 2 plus 6 equals 8. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. They are equal. Yes, they are. Okay, you get to show us how to do this today. There's the model it. That's what we just did, so you can do that too. And let's see, your question today says, why are there plus signs on both sides of the equal sign in the last equation? Why do they both have plus signs there? Because they're both equations, right? We have 2 equations, not just one. We've always had one equation and one answer, but this time we have 2 equations that equal the same thing. All right. Now it's up to you. All right, let's see your work. You can do it in your book or you can do it on Seesaw.